Ever wonder what a planet tastes like? Let's find out with Martin's Chocolatier chocolate planets. Woot woot! Just really like the packaging it comes in, see? It's all pretty. And it does have the nutritional information in the back, which is cool. And then also it has the planets and their flavors. So Sun is orange cream, Mercury is chili/cherry ganache, Venus is peachy cream, Earth is praline cream, Mars is caramel salt, Jupiter is praline, and Saturn is mocha cream, Uranus is blueberry ganache, and Neptune is toffee caramel. Oh, that's these little stickers in the back here. Ooh. All right. It looks like there might have been some melting going on of the planets, but maybe they were too close to the sun. So, I don't know. It looks like it's actually the planets that were far away from the sun. Anyway. Oh well, that's all right. I can show you. See, it's kind of are not in their chambers anymore. They kind of expanded. That's interesting. Planets expanded. All right. Well, that's a little bit of a bummer. Okay. How do you open this thing? Okay. Aha. Ooh. Okay. I got a little sun on me. Okay. I need a little sun. Look how white I am. All right. So I guess we'll start. I think, yeah, this is the sun, right? I just want to make sure. Yeah, I think they're placed in order. So, yes. We'll start with the sun. Eek. Oh boy. Messy planets. All right. I'm just gonna try a little each. Oh my god. Wait. Ooh. Strange. Strange, but yummy. Cool. Okay, that's the sun. I'm making such a mess right now. So these are kind of messy planets. So that was orange cream. Although they did make it yellow. And I'm sure they made it yellow because, you know, the sun is normally depicted as yellow. All right, let's move on to Mercury. Here's some Mercury. And Mercury is chili or cherry ganache. I wonder which it's gonna be. Okay. Mercury's not bad. But don't eat mercury, okay, guys? Oh, it's good. Awesome. All right. Ah! What's falling apart? This next planet. Venus. This is totally falling apart. So here's some of Venus. All right. All right, Venus, here. Peachy cream. Ooh. I like it. All right, Earth. Earth is next. Ooh, Earth is pretty. It's like this blue. Okay, let me show you Earth. Big chunk of Earth. All right. And then Earth is praline cream. You know, Earth tastes a lot like the sun to me. Interesting. All right. So this, oh gosh, this was carrying all of them. Wow, this is such a mess. I'm sorry, you guys. Oh, messy, messy, messy. Okay, we're going a little backwards. So this is Neptune. Oh, poor Pluto, not included. Well, I guess Pluto ain't considered a planet, but I will always consider it a planet because when I was young, I learned the planets and I learned their order, and Pluto was part of that. I almost don't want to eat this. Such a messy. I mean, look what happened. This is a disaster. Oh boy. Okay. Neptune is toffee caramel. Oh, that's what got over. That makes so much sense. So caramel, it got all over everything. Do I eat this? Okay. Don't judge me that I ate that. That's not bad. Honestly, it's not like these were... My desk is so messy now. What I was saying, it's not like these were... They're stuck in there, guys. Should I try to get them out? Yeah, I probably should. Okay. All right, so I ended up just putting all the planets on a paper plate. Never thought I'd say that. It's a weird sentence. All right, okay, so I know we did Neptune, but let's start from Mars now, okay? I'm gonna do Mars, which is caramel salt. Nah, I don't know about that one. Too many men on that planet. That so wasn't funny. Anyway, moving on. Ignore that joke. That wasn't really a joke. Jupiter. Praline. Really? Okay. Hello, Jupiter. Praline. Oh my god. Oh, Jupiter. I really like Jupiter. Cool. Saturn is mocha cream. That sounds good. I'm gonna get a big chunk. Awesome. Wow. Oh man. I think that's a winner right there. I mean, mocha cream, how could you go wrong? Anyway, Uranus. Ooh, Uranus is beautiful. And this is blueberry ganache. That's good stuff. That's all the plants, guys. Except Pluto. Now, I thought of the flavors, I thought they were very good, but I also thought that many of them were too similar to each other. I mean, all the pralines, all the ganaches, they pretty much tasted the same, but they were really good. The one that really stood out was the mocha, and that was Saturn, and I really liked it. I liked that they made them very pretty looking, so that's cool. Although, as you guys could see, they were kind of melted on the box that they were, in. That could be because, it's summertime, it's warm, or I guess it's not quite summer yet, but it's getting warm outside, so would I order this again? Probably not. But if I saw it in a store, I would hope that it's not melted and possibly purchase it again because they were really yummy actually. And it's just kind of ironic, you're biting into a planet, it's kind of fun. Thanks for watching. This has been Tracy with VainSoftGames. If you like what you saw, you could like or leave a comment. Would you like to help support our channel? You can do so by heading over to our Patreon. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell.